Many small businesses struggle with online advertising, especially something like Google Ads or Microsoft Ads. So, in this video, I'm going to try and explain how you can run a campaign with only £10 per day and you don't need big budgets to grow your business. So, let's hop onto this infographic to go through as to what you can actually achieve with just £10 a day, and it is possible for sure. So you put in £10 a day budget in your account and see what we can get out of it. So the first thing to utilize and use this small amount of money properly is to target clicks and traffic which is relevant for your business, service, or product. So don't go after untargeted keywords or broad keywords which will drive in lots of clicks and traffic, but it will not convert. So we need to go after the targeted click, right? So what do I mean by a targeted click? It has to be high intent, it got to be local, and it's got to be within your niche. So high intent is when somebody's buying a product, say for example, cheapest running shoes. That has got high intent, right? People are looking for cheap shoes or best running shoes. That has got intent. Or best price t-shirts. People are looking for purchase. They're not just asking for information or looking for information, right? The second thing is the local bit. With a small budget, you cannot run a campaign nationally or internationally. So you got to keep it in your local area because you're going to reach your local audience. So it could be, I would recommend, maybe a 5-mile radius around where you are based, whether it's your business, restaurant, office, or a shop. That will attract the right traffic and right customers, because if they're searching for a product and it's local to them, and they know, oh, your company is just down the road from me, then they are more likely to come to you. And then you got to go after the niche as well. So if you got a business which is generating leads for an insurance company or for yourself as an insurance company, you may have home insurance, business insurance, car insurance, professional indemnity insurance, all kinds of insurance. So go after just one niche, which could be a car insurance or home insurance. Don't go after all of them. This budget will not be enough, and you'll be spreading yourself thin by trying to do everything. So just go after one, optimize it, and then scale it, and then move on to the next one. So yes, we all want to offer all our services, ideally, but if you don't have the budget, then it just won't work. So just to quickly recap, you focus on high intent keywords, not broad reach, and attract qualified visitors actively searching for your product or service. That's really important. Then the next thing is the quality leads and conversions. So if you are a lead gen, have a form on your website which will capture the contact info, or you have a booking calendar on your website. If it's an e-commerce one, then you got to have something like a Shopify store where somebody can come to your site and make a purchase. And you got to prioritize conversion rate optimization over anything else. Yeah, keep on optimizing it. Keep your conversion rate increasing over a period of time. And as your conversion rate increases, your cost per conversion or cost per lead is going to go down. Your return on ad spend is going to go up. And then you slowly increase your budget from 10 to 15 to 30 and so on, because now you know that you are profitable. And that's the first thing you need to do, is to reach that stage where it is not costing you any money out of your own pocket. So even if you are breaking even and you are generating leads literally for free, it's worth it, because then those leads are going to convert into a customer, and you are going to start generating that cash to fund your growth on that ad campaign. So you prioritize and optimize your campaigns so that your conversion rate keeps on increasing. So you cut out all the wasted spend on keywords which are getting the clicks but not converting, and then put more money towards those clicks or keywords which are converting and getting you that return on ad spend. And the third thing is the data-driven insights and learning. So you understand your audience behavior, refine your targeting, and improve ad copy through testing. So testing is important. You have multiple ads in your campaign. See which ad message is resonating, which one is converting, and which one isn't. And then you keep on optimizing it as you go along. And the last thing is compounding growth and ROI. So you reinvest your profits, scale successful campaigns, and build sustainable long-term value. So as I said earlier on, cut out all the wasted spend, the things which are not working, and even if keywords which are relevant to your business and they are not converting and they're just being an expensive click, cut it out. Be very ruthless about it. You don't need to go after that keyword because it is wasting you, it is hurting you and harming your campaigns. Yes, once you have more money, you can go after those keywords, but I'm not saying that waste money. Whether you are big or small, nobody wants to waste. Nobody wants to give Google extra cash for no reason. So reinvest your profits. That's what I'm trying to say, is to be very careful and mindful as to which keywords or clicks are converting. Keep them going. Keep adding more money to it. And as you do that, and also at the same time, cut out the wasted spend by adding more negative keywords to your account, you're going to go into profitability very soon. And then you keep on reinvesting, and then 10 becomes 15, 20, 30, and so on. So it's not very difficult to grow a £10 a day budget into £100 a day budget over a period of time. So it's not about the spend, it's all about the strategy, which keywords you are going after, and which products or services you are promoting. Because what you also don't want to do is to promote low margin offers or products. Go start with the most profitable products where you'll make the most profit. And once your sales or your customers come in, you keep on reinvesting, right? So smart management multiplies small budgets. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I would truly appreciate if you can give it a little thumbs up and a like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.